So I have, this is what I needed for the sauce. I have paprika, black pepper, pink salt, basil leaf. You can also use parsley. And then I have some minced garlic and dijon mustard and butter. And the fish is defillet, so it's all ready to go. So I have like a little saucepan pan here, and I'm just gonna set the heat to medium. Let me see, I'll unlock this one, and then there you go. And then I'm gonna add butter in the saucepan, just a little bit. There you go. It's probably, I'm gonna have to put like a 2 tablespoons of butter. And then the melted butter, or it's about to melt right now, just add probably a tablespoon of minced garlic. I added more because my husband loves minced garlic. So put the heat a little bit up. Add a little bit. Oops, sorry. Then sprinkle some paprika. And then add a tablespoon of dijon mustard. And you can lower the heat. And just stir everything in there. Have the mix in there. And then you can add some salt and pepper. And then sprinkle some pepper. Add some flavors. And sprinkle a little bit of basil, just a little bit. But I probably prefer parsley, but unfortunately I ran out. And as you can see, the sauce is getting thicker. So now I'm gonna turn it off because it's gonna be ready for the fish. And for the fish, I just sprinkle it with salt and pepper. I do have 3 pieces of tilapia and 2 cod. My husband is not a big fan of tilapia, so I got him the cod. So now our fish is cooking. This is waiting for it to cook thoroughly. And then we can add sauce. Just turn the light on. And here's our sauce. I put it aside so the butter won't be absorbed and everything. So it's still gonna be creamy sauce. So with this meal, I also steamed some yellow corn. I like yellow corn so much, or corn, just corn kernels. And then I also have Brussels sprout roasting in the oven. So, oh, it's nice and golden. It's perfect. And if there's any herb you guys really like, You can also, substitute the parsley or basil. So I do have different spices in her and herb. This is my favorite thing. I need to do this refill, the parsley. See, the parsley I'm out and I did not notice it. Okay, so let's check the fish, see if it's done. Oh, that's perfect. So we can add the sauce. So I'm gonna start putting the fish. So they're nicely done, brown. So now we can start basting with our sauce. And we're gonna do it on the same side too. This is very delicious. The sauce is the main ingredient in this one. You can see they're all nice. And we just wait for the other side to cook and then we can flip it in, baste the other side. You can see they are nicely done. Oh, I just need to flip the other side. Okay, so I just flipped the other side. So now I'm gonna baste it with the sauce. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So here we go. I plated everything and I'm not disappointed at all. This is delicious. So I hope you try it. This experiment. If you want more salt, add more salt. So it's up to you guys. Thank you.